Don Luke Electronics. The Alpha Geek, Geeking Out. Electronics, IoT, Teacher, Instructor, RD and Consulting. If you go to bed at night without learning something new that day, your day is not complete. Luke Paquin, 1973. Project number 25, Movement, SD, Mk12. MicroSD card module. There are different microSD card modules compatible with the ESP32. We're using the microSD card module that communicates using SPI communication protocol. You can use any other microSD card module with an SPI interface. This microSD card module is also compatible with other microcontrollers like the Arduino boards. To learn how to use the microSD card module with the Arduino, you can connect it to the ESP32 using the default SPI pins.
Now the Arduino here, battery and switch here, expressive here, and screen here. This here, the memory here, and here the micro card here is good. This, the star here, the here, this here, type clock here, here, this movement here, and this here, compass here, and here. Button here and switch here. So perfect for cable for the computer and programming for here, the Arduino here. And that's it. Project here, the Arduino and programming here, pins here, and tools here. This here, expressive here, and programming here, battery here, movement and compass here, and this, the time clock here. Cards here, the memory here, GPS receiver here, switch and LEDs here. So this is good. This version here, EEPROM here, Arduino here, wire here, the display here, Bluetooth here, the movement and compass here, right, this ring time clock here, GPS receiver here, cell here, the cards here, the LEDs here, switch here, serial port here, receiver here, and latitude and this for here, ring clock here, compass here, and movement here, screen here, EEPROM here, and version here. Now this movement compass real time clock here, GPS, and this, and the screen here. And after the switch here is good, so the right here and or no. So perfect, and that's it. Movement here and setup here and this the compass here and output. Compass, the setup here and this here the vector and this, so it's good. The screen here, this first, the look back in this here, the version and from here, this screen for compass and this, so wrap and that's it. From here and red for memory, GPS receiver here, and compass here is good or bad, and this the vector and this is good, the latitude, longitude, and yes or nothing, and this time, date and time, speed, latitude, and that's it. Real-time clocks, the setup here, date and thing, and this real-time clock here, and date and time, and temperature here. The cards here, the setup here, this or this, and now adding in this and copy here, and here same thing, Bluetooth 2, so perfect. Setup here, screen and this, so perfect. Now the project here, movement and cards here, the microcontrollers here. So this here, this here is good. This Arduino expressive here, screen here, the here battery and cable here, real-time clock here, movement here, compass here. So this is good. This the switch here, this or no, and LEDs here. This here, perfect, and see, and this, and here, and after 2 or whatever is good. So perfect here.
Patreon.
Now the here now is good, and compass here, and that's it. So this here and here, this the memory card, and see like and off. So it's good. This another one and see good or bad. So perfect for here. Now the Bluetooth here and the here this good or bad, and here the date and time in this soap perfect for here the time and day in this soap perfect here. Now the data here, the computer here, and this version and this, and now the information for this, the here, from version, date and time, this, compass, this and that, and perfect for this. Bye bye.
Don Luke Electronics. Curriculum Vitae. Patreon. Facebook. YouTube. Twitter. Pinterest. Instagram. TikTok.